There are 3 reliable methods to close bags with an integrated closure system. First method, remove the air. Twirl the bag around the wires 3 times. Fold the closure strips inward. Second method, remove the air. Twirl the bag onto itself 3 times. Fold the closure strips inward. Third method, remove the air. Twirl the bag around the wires 3 times. Then fold the closure strips forward and roll them together. For bags without an integrated closure system, use our closure clips. Place the cylinder over the bag. Fold the end of the bag over the cylinder. Place the half-moon clip and press. Do you have any questions? Our team is here to help. Contact us for more information.